Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss about different seasons and correct time to obtain different parts of herbal medicines, and we will also discuss about their average life. As we know that different parts of medicinal plants are used in our herbal remedies like roots, branches, leaves, flowers, seeds, fruits, barks and resins. We will discuss about these parts and the seasons in which we have to obtain them, and we will also discuss about their average life. First of all, we will discuss about the flowers and leaves which we obtain from different medicinal plants. We have to obtain flowers and leaves from medicinal plants when they are fully ripe, and we obtain them directly from the plant. These flowers and leaves should be fresh and in their natural state. Before obtaining these parts, flowers and leaves, we also have to notice that these are free from all external influences like dust, severe environmental effects and chemical effects. After obtaining these parts, dry them in shady place and preserve them for after use. Average life of leaves and flowers is up to 1 year. If we talk about seeds and fruits of different plants, the correct time to obtain fruits and seeds is that when the fruit is well ripe and we obtain it directly from the plant. Because when the fruit is well ripe, it will contain all nutrients and all medicinal ingredients. The correct time to obtain seeds is also when the fruit is well ripe and we obtain it from a ripe fruit. Average life of fruits is up to 1 year, while some fruits expires very shortly like banana, apple, mango, guava, apricot, etc. Their average life is very short, but due to current cold storage technology, these fruits can also be preserved for a long period and can be utilized in next seasons. While other fruits which come in natural shells, their average life is up to 1 year, and if we remove their outer shells, their average life decrease up to 2 to 3 months. We also use roots of several herbal plants and small herbs. These roots are used in our all herbal remedies, and the correct time to obtain these roots or to remove these roots is winter season or end of autumn before flowering. After obtaining these roots, dry them in shady place or in sunny place and must be preserved properly to increase their life. Every life of different roots, different herbal roots is up to 3 years. We also use barks and branches of several medicinal plants in our herbal remedies, and we should select a young tree for obtaining these parts, and the correct time or season to obtain bark and branches of medicinal plant is spring, while the correct time to obtain branches and barks of shrubs is autumn. The average life of barks and branches which we obtain from different medicinal plants is up to 2 years. We also use several small herbs in our herbal remedies. We should obtain these small herbs when they are well developed, they have completed their growth and they are fresh. Before obtaining these herbs, we have to monitor that these are safe from all external influences like dust, severe environmental effects and chemical effects. After obtaining these small herbs, we have to dry them in shady place and must be preserved in proper way. Average life of small herbal plants is 1 to 2 years. We also use resins, or which we also can call gums, from several plants. These resins are used in our herbal remedies, and we have to select a young tree to obtain these resins, and the correct time to obtain resins from the plant is before sunrise and after sunset. Average life of resins is up to 3 years. Different examples of resins you can see on the screen. Along with these resins, several other resins also we obtain from different plants and use in our herbal remedies. So friends, we discussed about different parts of herbs, herbal plants which we use in our herbal remedies. We discussed about different seasons, correct times and average life of these parts. We should keep these parts safe from sunlight, from humidity, from dust, from air, and if we preserve these parts in proper way, their average life increases and these parts remain effective for a long time period. Always preserve them in glass jar or crystalline airtight bottles. I hope you liked this video. If you enjoyed, please subscribe and share with your friends. Assalamu alaikum.